What is the limit of our function f of x as x approaches -2? Well, f of x is equal to the absolute value of x plus 2 divided by the binomial x plus 2. Well, let's start by first rewriting our function f of x as a piecewise function. The reason we're doing that is because it contains absolute value. So we can rewrite f of x to be equal to the negative of x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 for x values that are less than -2. And then we can write it as x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 for x values that are greater than -2. And the reason we have this negative affiliated with the numerator is because if we were to say substitute -3 in here, you would get -1, and the absolute value of -1 would be +1, or the opposite of what's obtained in the parentheses. All right, so now that we have our piecewise function, we can then take the limit of -x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 as x approaches -2 from the left. Well, we can see that this factor x plus 2 occurs in both the numerator and denominator, so this is equal to the limit of -1 as x approaches -2 from the left. Well, the limit of any constant is that constant, so we have -1 for this value. Now let's look at the limit of x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 as x approaches -2 from the right. Well, these factors cancel out again, so that would be simplified to be the limit of 1 as x approaches -2 from the right, and that value is 1. Do these values match? No, they do not. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches -2 does not exist, or answer choice D.